Hello everyone, Shai from Green Advisor in Granada Hills, doing a front yard and house project. We did the pavers, we did the wall. Now we're doing artificial turf on the hillside with some nice plants. Huge driveway, front, looks beautiful. Guys are still working. Finished first part of the project, driveway and a nice hill, side with fence. Now continuing the backyard project. Gonna do a nice walkway, steps. Started today. I'll do a nice putting green here. Obviously drain. You guys are walking. Pavers, nice benches. Finished beautiful project in Granada. Pavers, walkway. Nice gate. Let's see the back. Boom. We did a sitting area, custom. Putting green.